Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy A20S, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So on the third place I have O Launcher, because O Launcher is is the most simple launcher you can find and use for free. So firstly find the O Launcher and click download, and great, here we have our applications, our favorite applications, and here we have our main menu, so you can set up your home applications. For example, here will be camera, Chrome, clock, and jewelry, for example. Okay, and here we have our apps menu. Of course, you can set up this launcher too, so you can find here daily wallpapers. It's really great feature. So now this launcher will set up beautiful wallpapers in my home screen, and as you can see, these wallpapers are really beautiful. So great. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Smart Launcher 6. Find it and click install. Now click open. Get started. I agree. Confirm. Continue while using the app. Allow. Click confirm. You can pay for it, but you can use it completely for free. And great. As you can see, here we have beautiful interface, and here we have the apps menu with really great apps grouping feature. So here, as you can see, we have our internet apps with internet access to chat with someone or to surfing. Here we have only our chats. Here we have games, media, utilities, and settings. So I really love this launcher, but as you can see, the best launcher for our device, for your Samsung device, is just Niagara launcher. So let's try to find and download it, and I'll tell you why. Niagara launcher, just find it and click install and wait. Click open, and great. As you can see, we have really minimalistic interface here. So we have here minimalistic interface, and you need to understand Samsung Galaxy A20S device. It's not powerful device. This device can't handle with standard Samsung launcher. So one launcher you can use fast without freezes and bugs. It's Niagara launcher, because you have here only your favorite apps on your home screen, and you have a great feature to find any application fastly. So for example, if you want to find Play Store, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and drag it to P button, and in this way you will find the Play Store. So I think this is the best launcher for this device. Definitely I love this launcher, I like this launcher, and I recommend to use this launcher on devices with powerful processor and for devices with a lot of RAM. But here this launcher is on the first place because this device is not powerful to use normal Samsung or any other launcher. So this launcher is beautiful and functional and fast. So for of this, I really recommend this launcher to use as default. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!